Well, good afternoon, all of you guys from fifth grade. Professor here, right here. Okay, this is one of my first experiences on YouTube, so please bear with me in this process. Right now, and through this quarantine process that we will be in our houses, I'm sending all this material and hoping that you will understand all different questions and assignments that you have been given. All right. So now, right, what I'm sending right here is some worksheets. The first one, it's reading worksheet number 1. Okay, which it is, which refers to chapter 4 of Fudgemania. Up to this point, what I needed from you, or what I need from you, is that you finish your predictions for chapter 4 and send them to me by Wooded, and also read chapter 4 and highlight all vocabulary words. Alright? So first, before we do any of this, I need you to please finish these 2 assignments, reading the chapter and vocabulary, highlighting vocabulary words. But before that, the predictions for this chapter. Now, once you've done that, okay, we are ready to complete this worksheet. And this one could help you for those of you who are stuck in one of the parts of the chapter or are stuck in some of the questions. I'm not sure, I don't get it. So use this worksheet to help you, because all the questions are organized chronologically. What do I mean by chronologically? It means that the questions, as you continue reading, you can answer the questions. It's not that I said question 1 for the end and question 3 is about the beginning of the chapter and question 7 is also about the beginning of the chapter. No. As you continue reading, you can answer the questions. Alright? So, right here what we have, as you see, is where all are some questions, okay, that you can complete, okay, being the most important one. Well, all of them are important, but the most important one, it's why the chapter is called The Worst News of the Century. That's really, really important. And also, who said it? Because I cannot tell you yet. Alright? Now, as we move on, I can explain to you the worksheet number 3. Something really important of our story is to understand what or who are the characters. What are the characters? Basically, the ones who appear in our story. And I know this topic is really familiar to you. So just what I want you to do in this part is to fill and complete the different characters of the story. Okay? Not only the character, but also give me some adjective that describe the character and the reason why you think the character is like that. It can be a quote from the book, like, oh, from this page and in this line, I see it. That's why I think this character is like that. For example, let's take up Thanos, okay? It's from the Avengers, the movie. Well, the series of movies. And the character, I think it can be described as evilish, ambitious, dishonest, untrustworthy, somebody that I cannot trust. So, one of the reasons, one of the quotes is, reality can be whatever I want. So, the ones of you who have watched the movie or looked at the memes, you would know what I'm talking about, right? And then after that, you would find that in the following spaces, you can write the name of the character, what characteristics you think it has, or he or she has, and the reason, including lines or including paragraphs, quotes, why you think the character is like that. Okay? Now, oh, Profe, but I don't think I would know what to write. I don't know what to write there. So that's why in the next page you would see this one. A chart including, I think the character is nice. Yes, but that's too general. How about cheerful? How about kind? How about friendly? The character is a tricky character. Cannot be trusted. Okay? Or is a negative character. Is crafty, is sneaky. Likes to sneak. Or is a dishonest one, is an unfair one. Not just put, okay, yeah, he's funny. Okay, you can put witty, humorous, amusing. You can find many, many different words and categories to write and to describe them. Now, for the final part of that one, this is going to be a character that you are going to create. Okay, so use interesting adverbs and adjectives to describe this character. Where does he come from? What is his name or her name, personality, and this part, let your imagination run wild. How would you picture it for your own story? And you can modify the character as you want it. Alright? That's for the second part of our assignment. And for the third part, which I'm going to give right here, yes, okay, this is another topic that you are really, really aware of, or you should be. The difference between a fact and an opinion. Okay, so what is the difference between a fact and an opinion? A fact is something that is true and can be proven. For example, the clouds are white, or are different shades of gray and different shades of white, different many colors. And in the case of an opinion, is something subjective, something that someone thinks or feels. So a fact is something that is true, and I can prove it, and an opinion is something that someone feels or thinks, right? So it might change from person to person. I think something is ugly, another person says, "Oh, that's beautiful." It changes from person to person. Okay, a fact, it cannot be changed from person to person because it's a fact. Okay. For example, to say the sky is blue, another person might say, "Oh yeah, the sky is blue." So it's a fact. It's something that I can prove. All right. So what I want you to do in this part is switch it up. Adam thinks the dog is cute. For example, that, my friends, is an opinion. Okay, he thinks the dog is cute. Now let's correct it and change it to make it a fact. The dog is cute. That would be a fact. So I'm going to give you right here 5 examples, and you tell me if it's a fact or an opinion, and then you give me the corrected version, switching it. That makes sense? Okay? If not, please add in the comments that you need some more explanation in the matter. And right under it, I would like you to please write 3 facts and 3 opinions that are considered in the first 4 chapters of Fudgemania, or that you write, a fact can be this one, or an opinion can be this one. Can be your personal opinions, can be one of the characters' opinions, or can be here, can be a fact that you consider is stated in the book, or that you can infer from the book, or that one of the characters says so. Alright? Say, for one example of the characters, that one of the characters says, "Oh, the sky is blue." Okay? So you write it right here in this space. And in the case one character expresses an opinion, you write it right here. You don't have to switch it, just write it as it is. And please quote it. Alright? So that is pretty much everything, guys. So, meaning that I really want you to have a good time and enjoy this process. And please remember that we can all make it from home. So if you liked it, please hit like and subscribe and follow. Cheers. See you.